gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified SHOEPERFLY or a don't buy. So without further ado, a standout style is underfoot with signature shine, climbing the assertive heel angle of Calvin Klein's Rochanda ankle strap sandal. From the global lifestyle brand that exemplifies bold, progressive ideals and a seductive and often minimal aesthetic, the beautiful block heel sandal with signature logo bar seeks to thrill and inspire shoe lovers while using provocative imagery and striking designs to ignite the senses. If you love luxury shoe brands with minimal aesthetics, then look no further. Here at SHOEPERFLY, find the shoes, reviews, and news on all styles and brands of luxury shoe brands and more. Subscribe to my channel and join other superheroes for a SHOEPERFLY time. The Calvin Klein Rochanda ankle strap sandal is an open toe sandal featuring a chunky block 4-inch heel that lofts a contemporary sandal motif secured by a wide quilted adjustable strap at the ankle. The imported kid suede leather upper up top channel stitch straps round out a look of modesty that simply stuns with this single band over the toes and metallic logo imprinted detail on the chunky blocked heel. Here in a true to size 8.5 in the color petal blue from Macy's.com, on sale at $44.93 excluding tax and shipping. No longer available though for purchase in petal blue or black at Macy's, but available in both colors at Nordstrom's.com for $97.30 at 29% off the regular price of $130 excluding tax with free shipping. Comfortable, classic, and cool, these sandals best worn at semi-informal events like a holiday party, wedding, or even work in school is certified SHOEPERFLY and a must buy at a sale price like the one I got. Offering hassle-free wear, easy care, and a fun flirty style, the Calvin Klein Rochanda ankle strap sandal is a no-brainer all day. Here, take a closer look.
When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. When it hurts like this.
When using the word seductive and the name Calvin Klein in the same sentence, that might not do the brand justice. as Calvin Klein has become both famous and infamous over the years when looking at its ad campaigns, with the brand becoming synonymous with sexy advertising, and the clothing company and its stars having courted controversy for decades, like when, for instance, a 15-year-old Brooke Shields went commando, a 17-year-old Kate Moss went topless, an assortment of social media ads with stars like Clara Kristen and Kendall Jenner asking users to fill in the blank, I blank in my Calvins. That was banned from television commercial for the perfume line Calvin Klein Obsession, featuring Eva Mendes, or the overly chiseled body of Justin Bieber, posing for a CK editorial with alleged photoshopping to the point where the photos were no longer real. Infamous Calvin Klein ads have left a legacy of controversy that many may argue sometimes overshadows its products, but that I would simply argue helps make the brand so known and much more interesting, if you ask me, as controversy sells. Who doesn't want to look at a chiseled Justin Bieber body, whether good or bad? So if ever wondering why Calvin Klein is so expensive, it's probably not only that it's a big brand that sells their brand value by charging high prices, but also because it has many famous faces like Kendall Jenner and Justin Bieber. Until next time, hit that like button, ring that bell, and subscribe to my channel for the best in shoes, reviews, and news. Toodles! Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.